Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the weekly watch list. So we're going to start with the US market. So this week, we're going to focus a lot on how the US market will move, especially the tech market. So the Friday CPI data is very important, as if the number shows that inflation continue to move up, yeah, it's going to have some pressure for the tech counter as their valuation is very strongly tied to the tech, or rather the tech valuation is very strongly tied to the inflation numbers. So very quickly, you are looking at the screen here, we are looking at Tesla. So Tesla has a very tricky part of the chart that I just want to discuss with you. So I'm going to just bring your attention to this part of the chart where you look at these three candle patterns, or these four rather. So you can see a black, white, black, black. Okay, so and this black on the last candle actually ended lower than the previous week. So this weekly chart shows that Tesla seems to be at the topish side. Why? Because if you were to compare the chart apple to apple, we see Tesla has rallied in the early part of 2021 due to the inclusions into the S&P 500. So what we see here is that Tesla has also rallied and then did form almost the same pattern. If you look at the last four, black, white, black, black, and the last black is actually below the previous week white. So if Tesla follow up with this black candle, which is over here, then we may see some sell-off, continuous sell-off, as Tesla in earlier this year, 2021, had a major 40% sell-off. So what we are looking at is 40% probably will bring Tesla back to 742 level if the sell-off continue. So very tricky, very tricky. So we're going to see how Tesla will react. Now, one glimmer of hope is that if you were to look at this two candle pattern, which has a black color on it, and the second week actually was lower than the first week, but Tesla follow up with a white candle that helps this counter to rally up. So this was the start of the buying, if not wrong, from the funds that pushed us up to get into the S&P 500 inclusion. So the current pressure is also the fact that Elon Musk is selling its shares, and the report says that he was 60% down on last Thursday, but last Friday sell-off may be related to him as well. So we are looking at very crucially this support level next week, about around 977. Once it breaks down, then Tesla may go further south. Okay, then we are going to look at the rest of the big tech counters. So let's start with AMD. Many of them has hit support level, and AMD touches its support level at 140 to 136. 140 and 140 to 138 is the support level. So next week, if it can rebound from this support level, will be important, because breaking down this support level may means more downward action towards 128. Nvidia also back to its support level at 305, and hopefully it doesn't touch this support level at 288. Okay, this is the next major support level. Now, there are some big tech counters also forms the topish pattern, which includes double top, head and shoulder, like Microsoft had the head and shoulder breakdown, and the projection level is to 306 over here. So if it continue to sell off below 317, then it may hit its target at 306. Alphabet is a support level. Okay, it's trying to hold at this so-called potential support level, I beg your pardon, yeah. So because I see a rebound last Thursday, and it managed to hold above this low at 2805. Now I'm touching on some of the big tech counters that are not covered before, because I just want to see whether next week has an opportunity to get some of them at the low. And Amazon has been selling down ever since it touched our target around 3711 to 3770. And we are looking at this counter support, major support level at 3294, and it is very near to it. Netflix had a double top breakdown, and the target is around 590. Target to move down is at 590, which is very close right now. So some time ago, I did talk about Netflix, and then I did mention that if it chooses to retest its support level at this level at 642, it may continue to move lower, and it did breaks down, and right now it's very near to support level. Lastly, I'm going to cover this counter. Probably you never heard before. I have heard something about this counter, Datadog, which has a hammer at the support level. Probably is a swing trade where it may move back to 187 upon confirmation on this hammer pattern. Okay, so with this, I'm going to end off the video. Take care, and I'll see you next week.